Hi everyone, welcome back to just another Manny Monday video. Off camera I went ahead and polished the nails in a white gel polish by Modelones and an ocean blue gel polish by Lavender Violets. I'll also be using a chunky glitter from Sparkle Supplies UK. It's called VOODOO. And I'll be using some water decals. So I'm going to pop on some music and let you sit back and watch the video, and I'll be right back. Also, two things I want to remind everyone about. First, there's a 500 subscriber giveaway going on right now. If you want to go ahead and check that video out, I'll link that at the end of this video. I think right now I'm at 424 subscribers, and once I get to 500 and I stay above that slightly for a few days, then I'll go ahead and announce that winner. I also started doing something new yesterday called Subscriber Suggestion Sunday. It's where I have the subscribers suggest what they want to see me do in nail art on a video. So I'm going to go ahead and link that video at the end of this one. And if you want to leave a suggestion, just go to the comment section on that video and leave your suggestion there. I'm going to apply a no wipe top coat by Modelones to the two nails with the water decals and then cure those for 60 seconds. And I'm going to apply a base coat to the other two nails, and I'm not going to cure it. I'm going to apply the chunky glitter to the nails first, and then I'll cure those for 60 seconds. I do want to apologize because after curing those nails for 60 seconds, I go ahead and apply a builder base to the two nails and cure that for 60 seconds, and then apply a no wipe top coat to those and then cure those for 60 seconds. But somehow I deleted the footage, so I want to apologize for doing those off camera. And here's my final set. I hope you enjoyed the video. I want to thank you for watching. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And if you're old here, I want to thank you for returning. And if you can also please like and leave a comment, it really does help out a lot. See you next video. Bye.